Hello everyone, this is Nital Arfat from Programmers Club. Now we are going to look at dictionary. Dictionaries are Python implement of a data structure that is more generally known as an associative array. A dictionary used to store data values in key value pairs. That is a collection which is unordered, changeable and indexed, and also does not allow duplicate member. So let's create a dictionary. Simple dictionary. Now we create a variable, say person. We should use curly bracket. We create a key, say name, and here we should use semicolon and the value is John. We should use comma and I create another key value, say email john@gmail.com. We create one more key value, I say city, and here Dhaka. So let's print this dictionary person and run it. We get all member of this dictionary. We create dictionary another way using constructor. Now I say person 2 and here we should write dict method parenthesis. Here we say name and equal to Nital, comma, say email and email is nital@gmail.com. I create one more, say city. Here I say London. Now I'm going to print person 2 and run it. We get all element of the person 2. If we need to access a single value, then I say print and here a square bracket and here we type our key name is city, run it. We get Dhaka. We access single value another way, print person using get method and say name single quotation, run it. Yes, we get the person name. If we need to add key value in our dictionary, add key value, then I say person and say rating, and here I give value is 3.99 and print the person once again, person. And now we can see in dictionary add a new element. If you want to get all key, then you print and say person dot keys parenthesis here and run it. Now we get all dictionary keys. Now we need to get all value from dictionary. Then print person dot values and run. Now we get all value from dictionary. Comment all. Now I'm going to show you an important thing is make copy. Now I copy a person 3 is equal to person and I want to print both. Now run it. We can see both are same. Now we add a value in person 3. I say person 3 square bracket is active is equal to true. I run it once again. Now we can see that this new element add both dictionary, but I want this element only add in person 3. Then we should use here dot copy. Now we check is active, this member is only add in person 3. Now we want to remove an item from person. I say remove item. Using del we easily remove an item from person. City, comment out that person. I run it once again, and we can see city already removed from our dictionary. We also remove an item another way, that is say person dot pop parenthesis, and here I say keyword is email, print. We can see email already removed from our dictionary, and run it once again. If we need to clear all items from dictionary, then I say person dot clear, then I print that and run it. Now our dictionary is empty. If I say len, we can see that our dictionary item is 0. So for today, see you soon. Okay, bye.